Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to listen to songs together with your friend on Spotify using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Spotify app. Now just go ahead and choose any music that you want. So for example, this one. And now at the lower left corner of your screen, you can see the speaker icon. So just go ahead and click on that. And now you can see the plus sign that says start a remote group session, listen with friends in different places. So just go ahead and click on that. And now at the lower part of your screen, you can see the invite friends. So now just go ahead and click on copy link. And now you can just go ahead and paste the link with your friends so that they can join your session. Okay? And that's it. That is how you listen to songs together with your friends on Spotify. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.